Ladybird Driving School is Ireland's only all-female instructor driving school. Our female instructors are trained to the highest standards available, guaranteeing our customers an outstanding service. If it's essential driver training you need, or indeed if you have a driving test coming up, then look no further. We have quickly become the choice of parents and students to deliver the EDT lessons efficiently and with ease, and getting you past the driving test the first time is standard procedure for us. Our mission is simple: customer success. We are driven to help you succeed. Our absolute commitment to this mission of customer success has elevated Ladybird Driving School to industry leader status, delivering the most comprehensive driving lessons. We are registered providers of the Essential Driver Training Programme, a minimum 12-hour syllabus designed by the Road Safety Authority. We deliver EDT lessons of the ultimate quality and guarantee that your records are uploaded to the RSA within 1 week of lesson completion. Our commitment to efficiency means no unnecessary delays for you. We deliver the best pre-test driving lessons in the business and ensure you pass your test first time. At Ladybird Driving School, we will prepare you for every aspect of your driving test. We have the knowledge and the know-how to transfer that knowledge to you in an easy to understand way. All our female instructors know the test routes inside out. We will guide you effortlessly to passing your test. We have even put driving test routes on our website as an added learning tool for all our customers to train with Ladybird Driving School. We also teach you how the manoeuvres need to be executed while on the test. Look at the incredible number of pupils passing first time with Ladybird Driving School. We treat you with respect, courtesy, and like one of our own. Listen to what our customers are saying about their great lesson experiences with our highly trained instructors, and ask why our referral business is growing faster than any other driving school. At Ladybird Driving School, we guarantee customer success and the ultimate goal of passing your test first time.